English workshop 1. Complete the following web with the words associated with the text and the given title. Answer. Components of success. 1. Specific goals. 2. Measurable goals. 3. Achievable goals. 4. Realistic goals. 5. Time-bound goals. 6. Skill. 7. Will. 8. Talent. 2a. Pick out examples from the text that support each of the following facts. A. Goals should be achievable. As students, we can't become a president or prime minister, but we can hope to reach those heights in future. B. A time limit should be to set achievable goals. To reduce weight, we know how to go about it. But without consistent time-bound action, it never becomes a reality. It may be exercise, diet, and stress-free thoughts. C. A specific field or area has to be fixed to achieve goals. As students, we can't become a president or prime minister, but can hope to reach those heights in future. D. Good results depend upon the quality and quantity of work put in. Life is something like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. E. A benchmark is needed to track progress. While playing football, one's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. 3. Complete the following sentences. A. Smart goals are dash. Answer. A methodology of thinking that helps people reach success. B. Two valuable assets of setting goals are dash. Answer. A sense of originality and a stepping stone to illuminate the path ahead. 4. Read this quote. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Guess the meaning. Discuss in pairs and find similar quotes that bring in the same meaning. A. You reap as you sow. B. Input is equal to output. Answer. According to the author, life is something like a trumpet. A trumpet can be played only when the player blows wind into the instrument, which makes the bell of the trumpet create the sound. Similarly, in life, we have to put in efforts to achieve success as an outcome. The quantity and the quality of energy that we put in to achieve something will have a great impact on the ultimate result. Thus, by the above quote, the author wants to convey that in order to gain something, we have to put in hard work. A few similar quotes are as follows. 1. What goes around comes around. 2. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. 3. Always do your best. What you plant, you will harvest later. Og Mandino. 5. Drafting a speech. Discuss in groups each block and make notes about it. How can I draft an impressive speech? What should be the size or length of the speech? Do I know the format? How to start? What to write? How to bring quality to your speech? What are the relevant thoughts or slogans, maxims? Which are the most important elements to be included? What is the systematic overall procedure to justify an impressive speech? The above points are for reference. Students are expected to remember these points while drafting a speech. 6. Speech development. A. Content. A. Greeting and introduction of the topic. B. Exposition of main theme, clarity of message, organized thoughts, ideas. C. Moral and practical application with examples. D. Conclusion. B. Speaking presentation. A. Verbal clarity, pronunciation of words, voice modulation, and projection. B. Presentation, speaking style, mannerism, audience eye contact, ability to keep the audience engaged. C. Confidence, gestures and expression, stage courage. C. Useful phrases and vocabulary. A. It's a pleasure to see you all. I'm happy to see you today. It's good to see you all here. B. Today's topic is. My talk is about. My topic is. C. The purpose, the aim of this speech. D. I will focus on 1, 2, 3 major issues. E. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. The above points are for reference. Students are expected to remember these points while developing and delivering a speech. 7. Do's and don'ts for delivering a speech. Add some more. Answer. Do's. Talk slowly. Emphasize keywords. Be confident. Maintain good posture. Don'ts. Don't mumble. Don't look up or down. Don't use too many hand gestures. Don't keep your speech too lengthy. Do's. Make eye contact with the entire audience. Don'ts. Do not repeat the same words multiple times. 8. You are going to participate in an inter-school elocution competition. The subject given to you is how to achieve success in life. Draft a speech to present it in a competition. How to achieve success in life. Setting goal, planning, knowledge information, confidence, hard work, perseverance. Proper guidance, dedication, following examples of successful people, passion, sacrifice, never give up attitude. Answer. It is a pleasure to see you all here. I, Miss Siddhi Naik, would like to take this opportunity to share with you a few ways that help us achieve success in life. The purpose of this speech is to help people understand that goals are necessary on the path to success. What is success? Is it measurable? Can we judge an individual's success by how wealthy he is? Or can it be judged by what he has achieved in life? And finally, how do people achieve success? As individuals, we all have hopes, dreams, and desires to fulfill. There is always something that we want in life, and in order to achieve it, we first need to set a goal. That is the first step we need to take in order to achieve success. Once we set a goal for ourselves, we need to plan on how we are going to attain it. It requires focus and complete dedication on our part. For example, if a girl is trying to become a professional dancer, then she will have to ensure that she practices daily. One must not deviate from one's objective. Proper guidance too works wonders in achieving goals. Another thing that is important is the collection of information, which is also called as knowledge gathering. One should find out everything about the career that one wants to pursue, or the business that one wants to start, or even the field that one wants to choose. One should always make a decision with all the facts in hand. Along with this, one needs to motivate oneself. One must follow the path of the people who have done the same thing that one is planning to do. Reading about their success stories also helps. And lastly, passion plays a major part in determining one's success. One needs to have the confidence, the perseverance, the can-do attitude, and lastly, the willingness to make sacrifices, because success never comes easy. A lot of hard work goes into achieving a dream. So, my friends, never give up until you are where you want to be, and success will finally be yours. Let's hope that all of us here remember the things we need to do so as to lead successful lives. And now, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that with the right attitude and approach, there is no reason why each one of us can't achieve success. Thank you for being such a patient audience, and lastly, feel free to ask questions if any. 9. Project work. Your goal this year is to successfully pass from secondary school. So let us be smart and note down the following. A. Specific area. Subjects and number of units lessons. 1. English 4 units. 2. 3 4 B. Measurable. Comparison of scores in previous examinations and in recent one. Test 1 poor. Test 2 fair. Semester 1 fair. C. Achievable goal. Target scores performance in SSC exams. 1. Good percent. 2 3 4 dash 5 dash 6 dash. D. Realistic approach. Plan of action that matches with your expertise resources. For example, 1. Make a study timetable and follow it regularly. 2 dash 3 dash. E. Time-bound action. Days required for revision. Subjects 1. English 2 dash 3 dash 4 dash. Days for revision. Answer. Students are expected to attempt the above question